Gary. Gary.
Annie, you left me a whisker gift. A super special white whisker. You left.
Also have your front panel connectors. Now this is going to be where you connect your power button, your reset switch, and all of that.
Got her a new harness, but she's too fat.
Ooh, this is nice!
Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
All right, son, I'm leaving. Give me a...
Oh my God, Cal Mary, how long has it been? You're so gorgeous. Oh, she always gives me her butt to...
Chia.
Somebody needed a bath because somebody had dingleberries.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Welcome to Will Luke Eat It. Today, cheesy rice.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
No matter how cute you are, you still can't have Cheetos. How many times have we been over this?
Wow. Wow.
Happy birthday! Oh my goodness, macaroni.
Bubby, you hungry? You want to eat?
Come on, door! Now! Right fucking now!
Hey. What you got?
Look at the balls. Look at the belly on it. What? You belly.
What?
Broseph's almost 18 years old and you did a top rope maneuver on him.
Don't steal pasta.
Merv, do you love Charles? Oh, bite! No! Biting! That's no...
Hi.
2, 3.
Get the back, don't touch me, bitch.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your window.
Hello.
I don't have to do anything you say.
Someone stinks like buff poo. Bad. I smelled it earlier and now it's...
Oh, no.